Welcome to this active session. Namaste. Start in a standard pose. Feet hips width. Feel in. Always feel just for a moment your pose. How am I feeling? How's my sensation? My vibration? Inhale, exhale. Welcome to practice. Focus your mind and your body. Lift your arms, inhale, up your right, and exhale, roll down. Transferring the weight to your toes. Inhale deeply to your abdominal area and exhale, go all straight up. Inhale, up. Exhale, go again, roll up. Bend your knees. Inhale deeply, relax your arms. And exhale, bend your knees. Hold your mula bandha, which is pelvic floor, abdomen. Inhale, up. Exhale, go again, down. Relax your arms. Weight to your toes, your tip toes. Balance your weight on the soles, the whole sole of your feet. Place your hands on the ground. Transferring the weight to your hands and open and lift your right arm. Pause for a second. Bend your knee and open a little bit to your left side. Your shoulders are looking at the ground. It's at your right hip which is opening. Inhale deeply, exhale, come back. Place your feet hips width. Inhale, look up. Exhale, go again. Rolling up, stretch your body. Inhale. Exhale, hands to your chest and go again, rolling down. Place your hands on the floor, lift the weight to your hands and open your left leg up. Shoulders away of your ears. Inhale deeply, exhale. Bend a little bit your right knee and your left and open your left hip. Neck, shoulders and head and face relax. Inhale deeply, exhale, go back. Place both feet. Inhale, release the pressure of your face. Exhale, take your ankles and get a little bit closer. Well done. Bend your knees, inhale, relax your arms, and exhale, roll back. The head is the last one to straight up. Inhale, up. We're gonna go to the beginning of the mat and do a little bit vinyasa flow. Okay, so inhale, up. Exhale, go down. Inhale, up the front, and exhale, jump to plank. Okay, press with your hands on the floor, table in, head between shoulders, align with the rest of your body. Inhale deeply, exhale, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Right leg up, inhale, exhale, go with your knee to the center and straight inhaling. Exhale. 3 more, inhale, exhale. Feel your rhythm, synchronize movement and breathing. One more. Inhale, exhale. Go back to Adho Mukha. Inhale deeply and exhale. Lift your leg up and do the same. Exhaling, go to the center. Inhaling, straight up your leg. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Very activate your abdomen. Two more. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale up. Exhale. Come back to Adho Mukha. Relax for a bit in here. Adjust the pose. Relax your head. Transferring the weight to your heels from your hands. We're going to jump to your hands 5 times. So flex a little bit your knees. Inhale. And exhale in Malasana. Okay? Bend your knees. Place your hand. Inhale. Exhale Adho Mukha. Inhale in Malasana. Exhale Adho Mukha. Inhale. Exhale. 2 more. Inhale. And exhale. Last one. Inhale, squat. Be careful with your knees. Exhale, come back to Adho Mukha Svanasana. Relax your and your breath. Bend a little bit your knees. Extend your colon. Relax your neck. Inhale deeply and exhale. We're going to the bear pose. So you're gonna bend your knees. Just almost touching the floor, but don't touch. Press the floor with your hands. Hold the pose. Feel the strength of your body. 3, 2, 1. Place your knees on the floor and relax in Malasana. Forehead on the floor. Inhale deeply and exhale. Relax your rhythm of breaths and heart. Inhale and exhale, roll again and sit on your heels. Inhale, arms up. Good body. Exhale, hands to your chest. Repeat this 2 more. Namaste.